Ever wondered how your favorite cheese goes from a simple glass of milk to the delicious slices on your pizza? Join us on a mouth-watering journey as we uncover the secrets behind turning fresh milk into the cheese you crave. From the first step in the factory to the final tasty product, you won't want to miss a moment of this cheesy adventure. Cheese making has a long and fascinating history. Thousands of years ago, people discovered cheese by accident, likely when milk was stored in animal skins. During the Middle Ages, European monks perfected the art of cheese making, creating many of the varieties we know today. The Industrial Revolution brought cheese making into factories, making it easier to produce cheese on a large scale. Now, cheese-making traditions from around the world bring us hundreds of different types of cheese. Cheese starts with fresh milk. Starter cultures are added to develop flavor, while rennet helps curdle the milk into solid curds. Finally, salt is mixed in to enhance flavor and preserve the cheese. Pasteurizers. These heat the milk evenly to kill any harmful bacteria, making the milk safe for cheese. Cheese vats. Big containers where the milk is mixed with special ingredients to start turning it into cheese. Curd cutters. These tools cut the thickened milk into smaller pieces so they can release more liquid and become firmer, getting ready to turn into cheese. Molds. These are used to shape the curds into blocks or rounds, giving the cheese its final look and size. Pasteurization is the first step in cheese making. The milk is heated to a specific temperature to kill harmful bacteria, ensuring it's safe to use for cheese production. Cultures are added to the milk to develop flavor by introducing beneficial bacteria that start the fermentation process. Rennet is then added, causing the milk to coagulate or thicken into solid curds, which are essential for forming cheese. Curd formation happens when the milk thickens after adding rennet. The liquid separates, leaving solid curds, which will be used to make the cheese. Whey is removed to concentrate the curds, which helps in forming the cheese. Removing the whey also helps improve the texture and flavor of the final cheese. Asterisk in the cooking stage, the curds are gently heated to help them become firmer. During pressing, the curds are squeezed to remove any remaining whey and shape them into blocks or rounds of cheese. Salt adds flavor to the cheese and helps preserve it by inhibiting the growth of bacteria and mold, which extends the cheese's shelf life. Aging or maturation develops the cheese's flavor and texture. As cheese ages, it becomes more complex and often sharper in taste, while its texture can become firmer or creamier, depending on the type. Quality control in cheese making involves regular testing for taste, texture, and safety. This includes checking the milk's quality, monitoring the cheese's development during aging, and ensuring proper hygiene and handling throughout the process. Packaging involves wrapping the cheese in protective material to keep it fresh. It's then labeled with product information and stored in temperature-controlled environments before being shipped out for distribution. Cheese facts. 1. There are over 1,000 different types of cheese worldwide. 2. The largest cheese market is in the US, followed by France and Italy. 3. Cheese can be aged from a few weeks to several years, with some cheeses like Parmesan aging over 10 years. 4. The world's most expensive cheese, Pool, is made from donkey milk and can cost up to $1,000 per pound. In this video, we explored the cheese-making process, starting with milk pasteurization to ensure safety. We learned about adding cultures and rennet to form curds, draining whey, and then cooking and pressing the curds. We discussed the role of salt in flavor and preservation, the impact of aging on cheese, and how quality control and packaging ensure a great final product. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content on how things are made. Leave a comment below with any questions or suggestions for future videos. We'd love to hear from you. If you enjoyed this look into cheese making, be sure to explore our other videos on how things are made. Visit our channel for more fascinating content and subscribe to stay updated on our latest releases.